In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to create a greeting card in Photoshop. Start Photoshop and click File and then New. In the window that appears, you need to select the paper size. Here we are making an A5 card by folding over an A4 page. From the presets, select International Paper from the drop-down box, and below this, in the size box, select A4. Click on Image in the main toolbar. Go to Image Rotation and choose 90 degrees clockwise. Now click View and New Guide. We want to split the page in two with the guide, so select Vertical and enter a position of 14.85, which is exactly half of the A4 page, and click OK. Repeat this exact process again for a second Photoshop document. Navigate back to the first document, where we are going to create the card's cover on the right side. From the toolbar on the left, select the rectangular marquee tool and drag it over the entire right side of the document. Now select the Fill icon from the toolbar, and at the bottom select a color. We are making a firework design cover, so we'll choose a nice dark blue. Click in the selection to apply the background color. Now, click on the brush tool and click on the icon to the right of the brush icon in the toolbar at the top. You will see a list of brush options. You need to select the one called Fuzzball, which is around halfway through the selection. Select a brush size on the slider. Select around 650 pixels. These will be our smaller fireworks. Choose a color in the selector at the bottom. Bright works best. Dot a few of the fireworks around the image. Try to leave an area at the top clear. Select a new color. Again, it should be bright, and change the brush size to something a touch larger. Try 750. Dot some fireworks around, then select a new color for your larger fireworks and select a brush size of around 2000. Dot some around, again trying to leave a space at the top clear. From the tools on the left, select the Text function and drag a text box onto the page. Enter your desired text and then select it. Choose a font that looks celebratory, such as the Edwardian script ITC we are using here. Select a font size, here 72, and a color. White works rather well. Finally, centralize the text. Use the Move tool if you need to adjust its position. A nice touch can be adding your name to the back page. Click the text option from the tools again and drag a box onto the left-hand side of the page. Change the color to black or whatever your preference is. Reduce the size and enter some text. Use the Move tool to drag the text to the bottom of the page. Save this document as front. Navigate to the second document you created. The left side of this page should remain blank, as is the custom with greeting cards. Select the text option from the toolbar and drag a new text box onto the right side of the page. Select a color and size, here the same as the previous text works, and enter a personal message. Space is left at the top and bottom for the handwritten greeting and signature. Save this document as inside. Remember when you are printing to do it double-sided, and that is how to create a greeting card in Photoshop.